Hello everyone, this is Valentine from SheetGo. In this video I'm going to show you how to use our automated income statement template to track your monthly income and expenses from your company. To go to our templates, you simply go to app.sheetgo.com/templates. There we go. This brings us inside the SheetGo web application, where you can either create a new workflow from a blank canvas or use one of our templates, as you can see. Let me show you how we will use and install income statements. You can find some extra information here, what you will get when you open the template and how it works. But if you want to install it, you click on Use Templates. There we go. SheetGo has now created the system inside your Google Drive, and here on the network view you see how the spreadsheets are connected to each other. So you can see here the automated income statement, that's the master sheet. So we have two input sheets from the income and the expenses, and these will automatically flow into the master spreadsheet. So let's open each one of them to see how it works. So we have our expenses input tab, our income inputs, and then our master sheet, the automated income statement. In each one of these spreadsheets, you will find some instructions on how to use this template. So for example, in the income, you have this input tab here, income, and here you will just simply overwrite this sample data with your own information from your clients and the invoice number, the amount you received, the accrual starting date, accrual period, category, and what product it was. So you simply fill all of this out. The same thing goes for the expenses, as you can see here. And then once you've filled everything out, you go back to your application and you click on play to run the workflow. When you do so, the information will automatically flow inside your master spreadsheet. I will show you right now. So you have a separate income and expenses tab. And you will also have your income statement on a monthly basis. So as you can see here, everything is calculated for you. So this is how the system works. In your income and expenses tab, you also have some accrual mapping here and the summary per month. So you have a nice overview of your income statement. If you have any questions about this template, please comment below, or you can visit our SheetGo community where you can find all the answers to your questions or requests. I will put the link in the description. And enjoy this free template that we've provided for you. Thank you.